Hey everyone, welcome back everybody. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Marble, and I created a great video for you. Today, we're about to blow this place up with some game-changing AI tools for your YouTube channels. We're talking about stuff so powerful, so easy to use, that even my grandma could make a viral video with it. Okay, maybe not grandma, but you get the point. This stuff is seriously next level. We're not talking about just making your videos look a little bit better. No. We're talking about transforming your entire channel. From editing like a pro, to optimizing your videos, to hit those algorithm sweet spots. We're going to be diving into 8 different AI tools that can take your content from zero to hero faster than you can say subscribe. So, are you ready to become the next YouTube sensation? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of AI-powered video creation. Let's do this thing. First up, we got the big dog of video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, Premiere Pro. Isn't that for the pros? And it is. But guess what? With the power of AI, it's easier than ever for beginners to jump in and start creating magic. We're talking about features like AI-powered auto reframing, which automatically adjusts your video for different aspect ratios. That means no more black bars on your vertical videos. And hold on, it gets even better. Premiere Pro also has this insane feature called color match. Imagine this, you shoot one amazing clip with perfect lighting and color, and now you want all your other clips to match that same vibe. Boom. Color Match analyzes that first clip and automatically adjusts the colors of your other clips to create a seamless and professional look. It's like having a Hollywood colorist at your fingertips. Next up, we got Lumen 5, the AI-powered video creation tool that's going to turn your boring blog posts into engaging video masterpieces. You heard me right. If you've got a blog post, article, or even just a crazy idea scribbled on a napkin, Lumen 5 can transform it into a scroll-stopping video. Here's how it works. You just feed Lumen 5 your written content, and its AI engine gets to work, automatically creating a video storyboard with visuals, music, and even voiceovers. And the best part? You have complete control over the customization. You can change the templates, swap out the visuals, add your own branding. It's like having your own personal video editing team working for you 24/7. Now let's talk about TubeBuddy, the ultimate AI-powered YouTube sidekick that's going to help you optimize your videos and skyrocket your channel to new heights. Think of TubeBuddy as your own personal YouTube guru, whispering secrets in your ear about how to get more views, more subscribers, and more engagement. TubeBuddy's AI engine analyzes your channel, your videos, and your audience to give you personalized recommendations on everything from the best keywords to use in your titles and descriptions to the optimal time to upload your videos for maximum impact. It's like having a crystal ball that predicts YouTube success. Get ready to unlock the hidden secrets of YouTube analytics with vidIQ, the AI-powered tool that's going to transform you into a data-driven content creating machine. No more guessing games, no more flying blind. vidIQ gives you the insights you need to understand what's working on your channel and what needs a little extra love. We're talking about in-depth analytics on your audience demographics, their viewing habits, and even the specific keywords that are driving traffic to your videos. With vidIQ, you'll be able to track your progress, identify growth opportunities, and make data-backed decisions to take your channel to the next level. Say goodbye to hours spent transcribing your videos and hello to Descript, the game-changing AI-powered tool that's going to revolutionize the way you edit. Descript uses the power of AI to transcribe your videos with pinpoint accuracy, so you don't have to. But, hold on, it gets even cooler. Descript also lets you edit your videos by editing the text transcript. That's right. You can cut out those ums and ahs, rearrange sentences, and even add new content, all by simply editing the text. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors and more AI brilliance. Next up, we've got Magisto, the AI-powered video editing tool that's perfect for creating stunning, professional-looking videos in minutes. Seriously, you don't need any prior editing experience to make magic happen with Magisto. Just upload your video clips, choose from a library of pre-designed templates, and let Magisto's AI engine work its magic. It will automatically analyze your footage, select the best moments, and edit them together with music, transitions, and effects to create a video that looks like it was made by a seasoned pro. Get ready to turn your photos and video clips into captivating slideshows with Animoto, the AI-powered tool that makes creating stunning visual stories easier than ever. Whether you're a business owner, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves to share memories and style, Animoto has got you covered. Animoto's AI engine helps you create professional-looking slideshows with ease. Choose from a wide variety of templates, add your photos and videos, and customize the text, music, and pacing to create a slideshow that's uniquely you. Last but not least, we've got InVideo, the AI-powered video creation platform that's going to unleash your inner Spielberg. Okay, maybe not Spielberg, but you'll definitely be creating videos that are head and shoulders above the rest. InVideo is packed with features that make video creation a breeze. We're talking about a massive library of templates, an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, and AI-powered features that automate things like video transcription, text-to-speech, and even background music selection. With InVideo, you can create professional-looking videos for any purpose, from social media content to marketing materials to educational videos and beyond. And there you have it, folks. We've just unleashed the ultimate arsenal of AI tools that are going to transform your YouTube channel from basic to bonkers. We're talking about next-level editing, optimization, and creation, all powered by the magic of AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Marble, this is too much awesome information. What do I do with it all? Well, my friends, the first step is simple. Pick one tool that speaks to your soul and give it a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more epic content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay fierce, stay creative, and keep those cameras rolling. Peace out.